Hi, Dr. Happy here. I already discussed the importance of the milk teeth and I advised you not to extract the milk teeth until it's time for the eruption of the permanent teeth. But suppose the teeth is badly decayed and the doctor advised you to extract the tooth because it's not in a position to do the root canal pulpectomy procedure. Then in such cases, you have extracted the milk tooth and you will be worried like how I can maintain the space which is occupied by the milk teeth. So how the permanent tooth will come in the proper position. So nothing to worry. There is a appliance called space maintainer. The simplest form is a band and loop appliance. It consists of a band and a loop. The band which is attached to that adjacent nearby milk tooth and there is a loop that extends towards the extraction site and it will maintain the space which is originally occupied by the milk tooth, so that the nearby milk tooth won't drift towards the extraction site, so that when it's time for the permanent teeth to erupt into oral cavity, you can remove this band and loop appliance. In such case, it's indicated for extraction of milk teeth. Don't worry, you can extract the milk teeth and you can maintain the space by using the space maintainer. Second thing, if suppose you have extracted the milk teeth and you are unaware about this space maintainer, so you didn't do the space maintainer immediately. So what will happen? The nearby two teeth on both the sides will drift towards the extraction site because there is enough space. So it drifted towards the extraction site and the space has reduced. So in such case, there is no enough space for the erupting permanent tooth. So in such case, you can do the space regainer. It's an appliance that same like band and loop. It look like a band and loop, but it will regain the space. That is, it will push the nearby two teeth, which is drifted towards the extraction site, and it will maintain the space of the tooth, which is originally occupied by the milk tooth. And when it's time for the permanent tooth to erupt into the oral cavity, you can remove the space regainer appliance. So, if suppose you have removed the milk teeth and you are now worrying like how I can maintain the space or how my kid's permanent tooth will come into its proper position, what I can do for that. Don't worry, you can just visit your dentist and get an advice and go for the space maintainer or space regainer, depends upon your kid's tooth position, so that the permanent tooth will come into its proper position and you can have a very good lovely smile. Thank you.